Hi, my name's Kathy Jones and I'm going to demonstrate for you today how to do a very simple water pH test using one of these pH testing kits. Inside one of these kits what you get is a little bottle of universal indicator, you get a little vial with a lid, and you get the colour change chart. So what I'm about to do is find a location next to the creek, which looks like there's a little bit of access here with these rocks, and I'm going to go down and half fill that little vial with 10 mils of water sample. Okay, so I'm going to tip a little bit of this out. And then we're going to put in our universal indicator. So using the universal indicator, I'm just going to put 2 drops, 1, 2, into that sample. Then going to put the cap on. Now don't shake it too hard, these caps are not very tight. Just invert it. And we're going to wait to see colour change. Now on the colour change card, there's a white area, so you can put that up against the white and it shows the colour a little bit better. And let me have a look. It's probably down this end. It has a little bit of a brown tinge to it, I would say. So a little bit of a pinky colour, somewhere between 7 and 7.5. When you do a water pH test, it's always good to compare it to a soil pH test from the soils in the area surrounding, because when it rains, when we're thinking about the context of the catchment here, all that rainwater is flowing over the natural soils in the area and seeping through the soil until it ends up down here in the creek. So we would be anticipating that in a natural environment, the water in the creek would be reflecting the pH of the surrounding soils and bedrock of the area. In the context of this environment and in geography, you can see that we are in a highly urbanized area. This is not a natural environment, and all this water, even though it is falling naturally as rain, it is coming down our stormwater systems. And before, when we did a soil pH test, we found that the soil was between pH 6 and 6.5, and then our water results are between 7 and 7.5. So there is a slight change, and we can assume that that is just because of the urban environment that we are in and this catchment, and that there is something influencing the water and changing the water in this area.